received my Influenster box in the mail. Let's see what we got. We have Eco Tools Pure Complexion Facial Sponge. Cool. We have Sally Hansen's nail polish. Tide to Go pen, instant stain remover. Pure Silk Raspberry Mist Moisturizing Shave Cream. Nice. And then we have Olay Regenerous Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream Moisturizer. Ooh, and discoloration helps with that. That should be nice. So we're trying that. Let's see, Riley and Greg. Oh, looks like they are getting married. We'll check out their website as well.